Teresa. Teresa, come here. Come here. I can't see. It's too dark. Come here. Hey. Come here. Teresa.
Yeah, Teresa. Kitty.
It worked.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Teresa, look up at Mommy.
What is that? Oh.
You're funny. You're funny.
We're going to take Mommy's camera and get all the pictures on a disc before she leaves.
Come here.
Aw. Don't you remember Beth loved hats there? Her and I used to sit and fight over them. I keep putting them on, she'd pull them off, and then she'd put them on, and we just sit and you can see out of the corner.
Teresa. You funny little girl.
She's so tired of all this, and you know she wants to get up. Oh, cute.
Hey, little Razorback. Hey, Teresa, show Pepe. Teresa. Hey, Teresa, show Pepe how touchdown.
Touchdown. Touchdown.
Hey, look at me. Teresa. Hey, Rotten. Teresa.
I'm amazed at these hats.
Hey, Teresa. No.
Yeah, look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. I'm sure she's going to put her on one thing. You want Mommy to help you? You want Mommy to help you? Show Mommy your hat. Show Mommy. You want that one too? Hold still. There, now show Mommy. Show Mommy your hair.
Hi.
Look at Mommy. Oh, she's missed it.
Teresa. Hey, look at me. Hey, Teresa. Say, no, it's not going to happen. Okay. Bye.